Hey everyone, and welcome to The Lockdown, where we share all the best tips and tools protecting your WordPress login page. I'm your host, Greg Fisher, Chief Marketing Officer of Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. On today's show, we're going to be talking about the WordPress admin login URL. Should you change it to prevent brute force attacks? Let's talk about it. For nearly all WordPress websites, the default login URL is the exact same path. The question you are probably asking yourself is, why not hide the URL or just change it? Many website owners do this, and yes, it does provide relief from brute force attacks. However, this method should be met with extreme caution. Altering the core functionality in your WordPress installation might cause plugins and themes to malfunction. In addition, a sophisticated attacker will still find ways to locate your login page. So let's talk about how you can still get protected without jeopardizing the functionality of your website. First off, make sure all of your user accounts are using strong passwords with a minimum of 16 characters. You hear this all the time, but trust me, it works. Second, install a login security plugin that limits the amount of login attempts but doesn't modify your core WordPress functionality. We recommend Limit Login Attempts Reloaded. It's free and you can download and activate within minutes. Best of all, it's hands-free and ready to work right out of the box. Lastly, consider blocking logins by country. In the premium version of Limit Login Attempts Reloaded, you can allow logins for your country only. This won't stop brute force attacks within your own country, but will significantly reduce your exposure. Well, there you have it, folks. Your login page can be well protected without altering your WordPress installation. Please see the show notes below for links and info. Thanks again for watching The Lockdown, and be sure to subscribe for more videos and helpful content. Take care now.